Alright, we're ready to place our rake batten. We're going to bring our filled battens all the way to our rake line, and then we're going to go ahead and put our batten on top of those filled battens. If I'm using EBS, just go ahead and take those tucks and rotate them to the outside so they don't get in the way of my panel here. So once we get a spot here, this can move depending on what look you like your cap, depending on what angle. Today we're just going to show about 2 inches in from here to the fascia, so 2 inches, and then we'll fasten on each batten. Now, since we've done a build up here, sometimes when we build that up, our cap won't reach an old paint line or an old metal line. So what we can do, if we need to, we can go ahead and throw a 3.5 inch fascia along our rake. And then we fasten that to the batten. That way, once we get our cap, now we can cover that old paint line if we have one or anything like that.